Hey guys, today I would like to share with you what's in my room and how I decided, and maybe some of the price of the items. So, some of you might remember in my previous video, I say when you rent a room in Japan, it actually don't have any furniture, so you come in here empty. So I got this square room. It's about 16 meters square. I've been thinking how I should put everything and how I should make it a sweet home for me. The first thing that comes up to my mind is I love this window. So, because the sunshine will go in this way, I actually would love to put my bed here, so that every morning I can wake up with sunshine. It feels good. Actually, sometimes I wake up 8 a.m. without the alarm because, you can tell it's already morning. So I get this bed is semi-double size because I think the single size in Japan sometimes can be really narrow. So I buy a bit bigger so I can actually have a bigger space to sleep. I get it from Amazon. The merchant is called Best Style Value. This is about 35,000 yen, so 350 US dollar. They have this shelf underneath, so you can put your stuff here. They have two, as I showed in the previous video. So this is actually pretty nice. And they have this small space for you to put things and electricity outlet here. As you know, you can charge your phone here. So the price only include the shelf and the mattress, doesn't include the pillow and the other stuff. I get a pillow and the other stuff from Nitori. It's like a IKEA in Japan. I forgot the price, but I think the quality is actually good. So back to the window, they don't have the curtain when I move in. So I also get it in the Nitori, but you need to measure the length and the width by yourself. Because in Japan they have so many different kinds of size of the window, like this one. So besides the curtain, these two stuff, I don't know how should I call it, but I get it from Muji. It gives you really good smell and also give you some moisture in the room, so I like it. And this speaker I get it from Rakuten, an e-commerce platform here in Japan. I get it during the sale, so it's about 7,500 yen. I like the design, but the sound is okay, just okay. So the next, because I work from home and I want to change the mood from day to day, I get this table that I can move. So sometimes I can look this way when I work, and sometimes I can move it around, look this way for working. So I think it's not bad. The best part I like this table is it's a standing desk with the flexibility, So it's easy to go up, but a bit hard to go down. But the price is 9,000 yen. I get it from Amazon. I think the quality is already good enough for me. And say hello to my AirPods case. So besides the table, I actually put a carpet below, so I can actually distinguish from the wood floor. So this part is actually for me is like a working area. So when I touch this floor, I know this is like a working. But when I'm off the work, I actually move to the wood area. Oops. So this is one way for me to deal with the work from home situation. Oh, and another one, I actually get some workout gigs. Because I'm actually pretty afraid of going to the gym during the pandemic, so I buy some things so I can work out in my house without going out. And also the Nintendo Switch Ring Fit. This is actually not bad for the simple workout. It's actually pretty tired. And then under the air conditioner, I put a shelf here to hang my workout outfit. some jacket. So I actually use this cloth, wear this cloth frequently, so I don't need to go to my wardrobe, pick it up, and spend time on it. So putting here is actually pretty simple. So they actually have this stuff in their room before I come in. So I think this is actually for you to hang your clothes. But since I already got this shelf, so I actually hang all my cap here as a decoration. Some of my friends think it's creepy, but I think it's okay. How do you think? And then they also, as I mentioned, they also don't have curtain in this part. So because I'm about 6 feet high, I just put my hand up here thin. Oh, this is about 6'4", 6'5". So I go check the length of the curtain, buy it on Amazon, and it actually fits pretty well. So for this one, it just gives me some privacy without actually, make sure the light doesn't come in. But I think it's okay for me because, as you can see, the light in the room is pretty well. Most of the time I don't even need to open my light. So I think I like this design. So this is my room. Please let me know how you think about it. So, and also some topics you would love to know in Japan. Then I'll see you next time.